All right, what's up, y'all? We're going to look at variables on both sides. This is almost the end of our equation solving stuff. Of course, we'll still use these ideas throughout the year. Solving equations is really important in algebra in general, but we'll just do that in a number of different ways. So what I have is a variable on both sides, and by sides, I see a number of you do this, and it's a really good idea to draw like a little dotted line down your equal sign, all right? And so if you see an X on both sides of that line, you need to do something about that. And what you need to do is to get rid of one of them. So to get rid of one of them, we're going to do the opposite. We have a negative 2x here. We could add 2x to get rid of it. We have a positive 5x here. We could minus 5x to get rid of it. And anytime I have a choice between addition and subtraction, I choose addition just because that's easier. Whoops, plus 2x. Okay, so I'm going to add 2x to both sides of the equation. I can do that as long as I do the same thing on either side. And then these two will cross out. Let me get my red out there. Pachoo! Okay, so what am I left with? I have 7 is equal to 5x plus 2x is 7x minus 3. Okay, good so far. Let me scooch that up a little bit. Whoops, the marker just started rolling through. Okay, the next step, now I'm just going to look on the side with the x. I have 7x minus 3 over here. Get rid of the number that doesn't have the x first. So let's add 3 to get rid of that. Okay, so these will cancel out. And 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, the 7x I just bring down. Nothing combines with it. And my final step is to divide by the coefficient, divide by 7. And I'm going to get a little lazy here. I'm not going to rewrite out my answer, but x is 10 over 7. So step 1 here was to get rid of one of the x's by adding or subtracting. Step 2 was to look on the side with the x and get rid of the number over there that you're adding and subtracting. And step 3 is to divide by the coefficient, the number in front of the variable. Okay, my answer there was 10/7. 10 and 7 don't reduce, and you can leave it as an improper fraction. No mixed numbers, or at least we don't want to have. That's just an extra step for us now. We don't need to do that. There's a try it there. Let me scooch it up a little bit so you can see it. I'll try to leave some. No, I can't do it. All right. So go ahead and try this problem out. It's similar to the one above. See what you can do.